In this project we have done to communication between the transmitter as a tag and receiver as a anchor. From transmitter antenna we can operate the receiver side device. In this project we can use the LED for the indication, and operation we can done using the transmitter, and this can be done by the automatic or with button. First we have check automatic. This LED for signal status, and this LED can be operated by the range between this tag and anchor. In this laptop screen we have to display the range of the between the tag and anchor. If my anchor within 1 meter, then my LED is on, and out of the 1 meter they will be turned off. For example, I move this anchor, this LED turn off, and now we can see the button for the operating the LEDs. This LEDs is the signal status, and these three LEDs for a button operated LEDs. For example, when I push the button, this LED can be turned on, and when I push the again button, this LED can be turned off.